Hello and welcome back to our channel. We have another cool video for you on ways you could make money online. That's right, we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could make money on the internet, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Here we go. Today's video is the 5 easiest ways to make money online in 2020. So let's get started. The first one is Earnably. Earnably is a web page where you can get points and then redeem them for cash offers or some kind of prizes, or maybe even some kind of gift cards, right? So basically you complete surveys, you watch videos, you complete tasks, and then you earn points, and then these points are used to be redeemed for other type of rewards, right? So in this case, we see over here in this table, you can get 23 points for a 5-minute one, we can get 202 points for a 5-minute one, we can get 80 points for a 4-minute one, we can get 67 points for a 25-minute one. So the length of the time you have to invest is different, and the amount of points that you're gonna get are different depending on the type of task, but you could make a lot of points and you could make a lot of money through here. You can redeem it later on for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands, right? So we have PayPal, Amazon, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts. We have a lot of brands in here. So you basically take those points that you earn through watching videos, completing surveys, completing tasks, right? And then we take those points and we trade them for money. They could even just put it in PayPal, right? And then once you have it in PayPal, you can put it in your bank account and use it in the real world, or you don't even have to bring it to the real world. You can keep it in PayPal and spend it online. Also, if you invite friends, you can earn more. So basically, if you share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers, you'll earn 10% of their earnings for life. So if you have a friend or a family member who wants to make money but they don't know how, maybe this is a way you can show them to make money online, and then you can also make money through them, which is a win-win for everybody, right? You taught them how to make money, they get money, the same amount of money as you, but you also get more money for referring people. So I suggest you sign up, right? You just click over here, you sign up, you put in your email address, your username, your password, you select your area code and your mobile phone number. As a quick heads up, they will confirm your mobile phone number, so remember that you have to do that before your first payment, and you have to click on the agree with the terms of service and everything, and then they're gonna send you an email with a code. You put in your code from the email, and then after you do that, they're gonna send you to the actual offer wall where they're gonna show you where you could make money. So once you're here, you're gonna click on one of those, and then these are the ones that are gonna have the surveys, they're gonna have the videos. So once you click on them, you're gonna find several offers in there in ways you could make money. So this is the first way. The second way is Squad Help. Squad Help helps you find the perfect name, logo, and other kind of marketable elements from your brand, right? So people can come over here and buy logos, they can buy names for their companies, they can buy whatever they need, right? So why Squad Help? Because it's the largest naming community, high quality content, right? They show you their services, some of their clients, right? So they have very big clients. It's a very big web page. Why are we here, are you asking though? We don't need a logo or anything. Well, if you go to names for sale, you go to for sellers. If you click here, you can sell your name. So you could sell names for brands on this web page, which is a very easy way to make money, because easily you can come up with 20-40 names for companies, right? It's very easy. So they do the delivery of the sales, right? They do all of the marketing. They connect you with the people who want to buy this kind of products, and you just come up with it. So if you just sit there and be a little creative, come up with just names for different types of companies, you know, like maybe a lawyer's office, a dentist's office, and then you kind of carry through with the idea and bring it over here and start selling the names over here. If someone selects that name, they're gonna give you the money. So basically they have very good payouts, right? So you kind of just put in a bid and you kind of just like give them the name, and then they select it, and if they select it, then you make money. It says over there all of the fees they charge, and here are the frequently asked questions. So make sure you check out this webpage, because I feel like it's a very easy way to make money online, is just to create names. So to create an account, you go all the way to the end here in this webpage, and you have to put in your first name, last name, display name, email address, password confirmation. You have to click join as a creative. Make sure you click join as a creative so that you can start making names for companies. The third way I'm going to show you to make money online is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Why? Because this is a webpage from which you probably already have some products, right? You probably already bought some stuff from Amazon, and you could make money through that stuff easily by recommending these products that you have bought. So if you join Amazon Associates, you're gonna get a link, and then this link is gonna send people to the product that you're recommending, and then if these people buy that product, you are gonna make money. So you can see here in the product categories how much money you could make from each of the categories that you're gonna recommend. So let's say you buy a lot of luxury and beauty stuff. Well, that is 10% on rate. So let's say someone buys something that's $100, you're gonna make $10 on that sale, and you didn't have to buy anything, you didn't have to do anything, you just had to share a link and recommend a product. So if you have products you've bought through Amazon that you really like, that you want to share, maybe this is a good opportunity for you. So check out this webpage. It has a lot of information and everything you need to know for it. So it also has tools for every kind of site. So if you have a blog or something like that, or maybe like a YouTube channel, maybe you have your own webpage, it has different kind of tools to help you help them sell, right? So whenever they sell, you make money. So it's a win-win for everybody, because you're bringing products that people might want to buy to people's attention, and then you are also recommending those products, which is helping the company which makes the products. So the company that makes the products makes money, Amazon makes money, you're making money through recommending it, and then the people who need the products are getting the products they need, right? So they even have native shopping ads, right? So native shopping ads are the kind of ads that you would put on a web page. So there is many tools and many ways to make money through Amazon Associates. So make sure you check it out, make sure you join Amazon Associates, and make sure you start making money. You click over here, join for free, and then you just put in your information, and you're in. You could even use your same Amazon account, your regular Amazon account, just on a different area, which is the Associates area, right? So make sure you check it out. It's a great way to make money. Our next webpage is usertesting.com. Usertesting.com is a webpage dedicated to testing websites, right? So you can earn up to $60 per test. It's very easy. You just visit a website or an app, and you give your opinion on it, and then you make money. So there is a video over here you could watch on the process of how it works. It's a very well explained video on how everything works. So if you want a little more detail than what I'm giving you, it's a very easy way to learn a little bit more. But if we look over here, they have very good and big clients, right? So they must be doing something good, and they do require a few things to get started. You need a PC or a Mac, you need internet connection, you need a microphone, etc., right? So it's not like you just like sign up and you start making money right away, but it's an easy way to make money. Once you have all of this set up, you just go in, you start testing web pages, and then you get paid through PayPal. You can work from almost anywhere in the world. They have a list over here of all the places where you can work from, so you can make money from anywhere in the world just testing websites, which is a very easy and awesome way to make money. Very simple, very easy. If we look over here, they have their solutions, their platform, their resources, and then they have over here get paid to test, right? So this is where we want to go. So we click on that, and they say top brands want to hear from you, right? So they want our opinion. Brands want your opinion. They want to know what you think, because you are probably their consumer. So since they want to pay for your opinion, they are paying these people to find the people who will give them the opinion without them having to go through the entire hassle. So this is how you make money. You give your opinion and they pay you for it. So it's a great way to improve products, it's a great way to improve websites and apps, it's a great way to give feedback to people, and it's a great way for you to make money. So you just click over here, you request a trial ride, you put in your first name, last name, your title, your email, your phone number. You just put in all that information, you request a trial, and then you can start making money by testing websites and other type of apps, right? So let's go to our last one. Let's go to our last webpage, which is SwagBox. So SwagBox kind of works like the first webpage. Basically, you could earn points here for watching videos, searching the web, answering surveys, but you could also make money through shopping. So if you have something to buy that enters in this category, then you could earn money through buying it too. You can get cash back, right? And you can trade all of this for free gift cards. So they have a bunch of information. You should check their about us, you should check their do's and don'ts. But the cool thing about SwagBox is that you could make money just from searching the web. If you want to search the web or something for something you're looking for, I don't know, instead of using Google, you can use their search engine, and when you use their search engine, you can make money through that too. So make sure you check out the webpage, you check out all the information. You can click any of these links right here, the do's and don'ts, the sitemap, the privacy policy, right? Let's check out do's and don'ts. Here is a guide to do's and don'ts of SwagBox. So while searching, searching don'ts, you know, referrals and social media, referrals of social media don'ts, you know, like surveys. So they're gonna have information here that's gonna tell you how to make money on SwagBox. So make sure you check out SwagBox, make sure you check the webpage, and make sure you start making money through one of these ways. If you make money through one of these ways, please come back to the video and let us know how much money you made and how easy it was. We are glad we had you here on our video. We are glad you watched our video, and we wanna invite you to subscribe to our channel to make sure that you know next time that we have another awesome video on ways you could make money online. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.